Your next boss could be an algorithm, a manager that never sleeps, knows every single detail of your performance, and makes every decision with cold, hard data. Sound efficient? Or does it sound like a nightmare? The line between a helpful AI tool and an AI that actually manages us is getting blurrier every day. It's easy to feel anxious about being managed by an unfeeling line of code. But there's a fatal flaw in the idea of a robot boss, a reason why the rise of AI doesn't spell the end of human leadership, but actually makes the human element more critical than ever before. AI is great at managing tasks, but it's terrible at leading people. Let's be clear, AI is already taking on management tasks. It can optimize schedules, track project progress, and handle administration with a speed no human could ever match. But as AI continues to handle more of the what and the how, the most important role for a human leader becomes providing the why. Real leadership is about 5 deeply human qualities that AI can simulate but never genuinely possess. First is genuine empathy. AI can be programmed to recognize emotions. It might scan a colleague and register sadness at 87%, but it can't share a lived experience. It doesn't know the sting of disappointment after a project fails or the pure joy of a team victory. A human leader builds trust by sitting with someone, by making them feel truly seen and understood. Second is contextual judgment. The most critical decisions are wrapped in nuance in messy human dynamics. An AI might recommend promoting the employee with the highest output, but a human leader knows that another employee is the quiet glue holding the team together. They can weigh both the data and the invisible context, understanding the complex web of relationships that make a team work. Third is creativity and meaning making. An AI can generate dozens of ideas, but it can't originate a vision from a deeply held belief or tell a story that truly inspires us. A leader's most profound role is to answer the question, why does this matter? And give us a reason to care, to connect our work to something bigger. Fourth is humility. True leadership requires self-awareness, the ability to acknowledge your limitations and blind spots. When a human leader admits a mistake or says, I don't know, but let's find out together, they build psychological safety. They create an environment where the team feels empowered to innovate without fear of failure. Finally, the fifth skill is creating connection and belonging. An organization is a community. An AI can manage chat channels and schedule meetings, but it cannot build a genuine human bond or the kind of rapport that turns a group of individuals into a loyal, cohesive team. Ultimately, we follow people, not algorithms. So, will AI change leadership? Absolutely. It will be an incredible co-pilot, an analytical powerhouse that frees up human leaders from administrative grind. But the rise of AI doesn't make human leaders obsolete. It makes them more essential. As technology automates the technical parts of management, it forces us to double down on the very skills that make us human: empathy, judgment, creativity, humility, and connection. The future of leadership isn't less human, it's more human, and that is a job no robot can ever truly do. If this got you thinking, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We're going to be exploring more about how to thrive in the age of AI. Thanks for watching. This is Ideas to DNA.